Hi, my name is Abigail and I'm in the dental assisting program.
Hi, I'm Brenda and I'm in the medical assistant program.
Hi, my name is Sarah Cooper. I'm here for medical assisting classes.
Hello, my name is Evelyn Soto and I'm in the medical assistance program.
Hi, I'm Juana de la Cruz and I am in the dental assisting program.
Hi, my name is Ana Maria Gomez and I'm a VN student.
Hi, my name is Diamond Young. I attend Healthcare Career College. I'm currently in the LVN program.
I love that she's really welcoming. She's always there for you, like individually, and she helps you privately, like tutoring and stuff, anything that you need.
She is very, she explains everything well and she helps us with anything that we need and gives us more time in case we need it.
My teacher's name is Miss D, my instructor. She's awesome, she's down to earth, very comfortable.
She's very understanding, and whenever I have a question, she's like always right there to help us out. And not just me, like to every classmate, she's always there to help us out whenever we need her.
My favorite thing about my instructor is that she is always in a positive vibe and shares it with the classroom. She's a really nice lady and she teaches very good. She always gives good examples and makes sure we get the lectures or the assignments she has given us. It's always fun and laughs with her, and I am happy to be one of her students.
My favorite thing about my teacher is his knowledge. He's very knowledgeable about the material that's being taught, and he makes us understand it in a better way so that we become a good nurse.
What I like about my teacher is that he's very compassionate, he's caring, he's a hard worker. You can call him no matter what time of day it is, the weekend, off the clock, on the clock. He's going to make sure that you understand the lecture, and he's going to make sure that you pass, regardless of the coronavirus and everything that's going on. At first, I thought it would have been a lot harder to learn, but the way Mr. Roy breaks everything down, you'll be able to get it. A kindergarten will be able to get it.
They also help you too, like with work and stuff, and they're very cooperative. They're really understanding and helpful.
My favorite thing about my classmates is that they help out whenever we need it. If we have any question and the teacher may be busy, they are able to help us.
I really like my classmates. Everybody is welcoming and open. I really am looking forward to pursuing this goal of mine so that I can help people and let them know that everybody's loved and that life is good.
We all help each other out. Like, that's the main thing. Like, whenever I need them or whenever they need me, like, we're always there. When we have a question, anything, like, we always help each other out, like, as best as we can.
What I love about my classmates is that they are open, and when we have discussions with Miss E, we get to throw our personal ideas or opinions in the conversation without the class being boring with short and dull responses. They are very respectful and nice, and when it comes to asking for a question on something with the work or assignments, they are always available.
What I like about my classmates is that we all are trying to do one thing, and that's graduate. We don't discourage one another. We don't knock each other down. We strive and do the best that we can do.
What I like about my classmates, they're very hard workers. They strive every day, Monday through Friday, to make sure that they're able to fulfill their dreams. Like, we all going after our dreams. We all are striving to become LVNs. So everyone is hard workers. They are kind, very considerate of your feelings. So if you don't get something, they're not going to laugh at you. They're going to also try to explain it to you, because sometimes coming from a student level, it'll be a little bit more easier to understand.
Always help somebody be happy, because, well, that's just makes life easier and better. But yeah, pretty much that's it.
Oh, well, we could go ahead and give quality care with what we're learning.
Make people feel comfortable, loved, let everybody know that they're special and wanted.
I feel like when you show that you care for them, or whenever, like I said, whenever you need somebody or whenever they need you, you're there for them, and that shows them like, oh, she really cares about me and stuff.
3 things I believe I can make a difference in someone's life is, well, the first is to be nice to my peers and others, because you never know how bad their day is going or what personal problems they have in their personal lives at home. Second thing is be there for people. For an example, if another student needs help with hands-on or assignment that the teacher has given us and doesn't get it, I will try to explain and demonstrate to my fullest how to do it and assist them in the current situation they're stuck in. I feel also giving compliments and positive vibes toward people can make a difference. I feel it will boost the person's self-esteem and make their day good and better overall.
Some things that I can do to help someone else is just listen sometimes. Sometimes someone just needs someone to talk to, or I can be there to help and give my opinion. But sometimes it's just good to listen.
What I can do to make a person's life better is just to always have a positive outlook on everything. You never know, somebody might need an extra push, or they may have negative energy around. And if you have someone that's positive, that's in your corner, then it always is good for someone. Everyone needs a positive person in their life.
Well, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day and Happy New Year.